Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A pleasant good morning to the respected director sir, principal ma'am, hardworking teachers, my dear friends, and the respected parents and one and all present here. We all are gathered here after a very period of time, and I got an opportunity to deliver a speech on behalf of my class. Today I remember all the moments from the first day of the school to the present day. It seems like yesterday was the day when I had my first day at this school. Everything was unaware and there was the feeling of fear and hesitation in the mind. Time passed slowly. The feeling of special and different attachment was attached with this school and the teachers. If there is any place rather than my family and home where I spent my most of the time, then this is the place. This is like my second home, and my teachers are like my second parents. Whatever I got, this is the result of the efforts of my parents and the hard work of my teachers. The teachers who focus and attention towards the students to make them able to stand in this world is really very impressive and unignorable, and I cannot define in words. Whatever to achieve this, whatever I got and whatever I achieved, whatever needed to me, I get from this school. That's the reason that I did not have any coaching or tuition. I did not have any coaching or tuition, and I never felt the reason, I never felt the need for it. I never felt the need for it. The school not provides only the education to me, but all the things that were needed to shape my personality and needed to make me a responsible citizen were provided by the school in the form of sports, competitive exams, and other things. The time spent with the teachers and the school, I cannot forget in my life. At the last, I will pray that God keeps you always happy. You will achieve lot of progress in your life, and inshallah, we will definitely one day achieve our aim, inshallah. At last, I would like to conclude my speech with a few lines. मेहनत करे इंसान तो बदल सकता है किस्मत, मेहनत करे इंसान तो बदल सकता है किस्मत, हाथों की लकीरों में मुक़द्दर नहीं होता. I wish you all a very happy future. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Hasib. Now I'd like to call upon the stage Farhan Ali Inamdar to express his views.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Director Sir for inviting me to this felicitation program. I am here today present in front of you to tell my experience as a student of Sana International School. Today, as we can see, most of the parents and even some schools rely more on the textbook education rather than the practical education, and the students are just ratifying textbooks and not getting the practical education, which is the right. So, but there is a very crucial need for practical education in this era, and this was completed by Sana International School. The Sana International School held some extracurricular activities which I liked the most, such as poster making competition, drawing competitions, etc., which helped in boosting the creativity of the child and helped them learning better. Also, about teachers, I would just say that the teachers were very friendly and solved each and every of my doubts. The teachers were just like friends, not like teachers. They solved each and every doubt of mine and cleared all my concepts. So I would just like to give my success credits to all the teachers and as well as my parents. With this short speech, I will conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Farhan. Now I'd like to call upon the stage Laiba Ishal to express her views.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, respected Director sir, guests, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear classmates. A very warm good morning to all of you. I feel the pleasure to share my experience learning in this school with all of you. If you see me today, and if you compared me today, I am nothing same as 6 years back. All thanks to my parents and teachers who worked hard for me and guided me and supported me, and thanks for believing in me. I have studied 6 years of my life in this school, and this school has given me so many memories, some sweet ones, some bitter ones, but none that I will ever forget. I thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving me this opportunity to learn under good, erudite teachers who always supported me, guided me, and motivated me. This school has given me so many opportunities in sports, arts and crafts, stage performances, studies, and I'm so grateful for this. I heartily thank President Sir, Principal Ma'am for their kind words and motivation all over these years. Thanks to Samreen Ma'am for teaching in a very friendly way and in a very easy way. Thanks to Ejaz Sir for making social one of my most favorite subjects. Thanks to Anis Sir for giving me the confidence that I've needed. Thanks to Azhar Sir for teaching me those life lessons which I will never forget. Thanks to Naveed Sir for working hard and making those PPTs and notes to ensure good learning. Thanks to Muni Sir for clearing all the doubts and teaching in a very understandable way. Thanks to Rahat Sir and Nazim Sir for making maths fun. I am not taking every teacher's name because of shortage of time, but I am thankful to everyone. So many teachers came in my way and sprinkled the essence of knowledge in my life, and I'm grateful to everyone. And I'm taking all this knowledge for the next journey of my life. Thank you for everything and everyone who believed in me and supported me. Knowledge is one of the most powerful things one can have in life. So my advice to friends is to respect teachers, because it only comes when you respect teachers and obey them. All over these years, this school has groomed me into a better person and enabled me to see my dreams come true. Now getting apart from this school, I'm feeling like I am leaving my most favorite home where I've spent my life's most beautiful days. And I'm so grateful for everyone and everything. Thanks to my parents, teachers, President Sir, Principal Ma'am, my friends, Khala and rest, office staff for supporting me. Thank you all. When I first entered this school through those gates, it was a different person. And again, when I'm leaving this school through those gates, it would again be a different person. Thank you all. I sincerely, with my heart loaded with emotions, say thank you to all and give you all my best wishes. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan kaseera.
Thank you, Laiba. Now I'd like to call upon the stage Salwa Fatima to share her views.
Assalamu alaikum. And a very warm good morning to the respected President Sir, Ma'am, Chief Guest, staff member, and to the beloved parents. I'm extremely thankful to the management for giving me this opportunity. This place has been like a second home for us since the start, where we have spent most of our times. All the teachers have been extremely kind and have always supported us throughout this time. First and foremost, I would like to thank our President Sir, who has always portrayed an image of highly disciplined personality, yet so humble. With his charisma, he has always influenced and motivated us to achieve the impossible. Sir, I must acknowledge that the thing you told us for self-study have helped a lot. And the policy of extra classes and doubt classes have seriously helped a lot. I'm pretty sure that the things we learned from you would help us to climb the success of ladders. I would also like to thank our Principal Ma'am and Samreen Ma'am, who has always supported us, who are very kind and used to give us extra time during our projects, assignments, and I think they are going to display the same in years to come. Here I would like to mention others' names that such as Anis sir and Ijaz sir. I have immense respect towards them. They have built me up and enabled me to see myself. Here I would like to conclude my speech with a big thank you to everyone who were behind this. Thank you.
Thank you, Salwa. Now I'd like to call upon the stage Mohammad Adnan to express his views.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone, respected director sir, ma'am, and honorable chief guest, and all my dear teachers and all my dear friends. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who made possible those things which were impossible for me and blessed me with the unbelievable success. And the next credit goes to my parents. My parents had always supported me and they had always motivated me and made me strong. And then I also thanks to the director sir, Desham sir, and the principal Lubna ma'am for their constant motivations. I also thanks to all my teachers. They did a lot of hard work for our class and taught us in the best ways. And my hard work and determination and dedication of our teachers lead me to this success. I suggest to all the students of my school to work very hard and don't lose your hopes in any conditions. The life is full of ups and downs, but the life is full of ups and downs, but the race is too long. If you are doing hard work with full of confidence and then the success will be yours. Once again, I thanks to my teachers, to my parents, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you.
Now I'd like to call upon the stage Alia Fatima to share her views.
Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am Alia Fatima Naik and I scored 84% in my CBSE 10th boards. And I'm here to thank every single person that helped me to score this percentage. First of all, I would like to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a bounty from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for which I'm very thankful. Secondly, I would like to thank our President Sir, Mr. Ehtishamuddin Sir. Words cannot begin how thankful I am for the work he does as school president. Thanks to Sir for his support and care for me. I will be forever remain grateful to him. Now I would like to thank our principal, Lubna ma'am. Thank you ma'am for the dedication and all the hard work you have done for us. Thank you for your guidance. Now a big thank you to all the teachers. Thank you teachers for all that you have taught me. Lessons that extended well beyond the four walls of the classroom and for providing me with quality education. And lastly but not leastly, my heartfelt thanks to my parents. I have to say that this would not have been possible without the hard work and encouragement of my parents. Thank you my mummy and papa. And 6 years ago, my parents admitted me into the school and all these 6 years have been so special for me. And I wish I could get back those days and I want to conclude my speech. That's all. Thank you so much. May you all have a great day ahead. Thank you.